Good evening and happy Thursday. And I just finished dinner and I realized I typically water the plants at like 5 or when the sun goes down, and it's almost 6:30. I was like, whoops, water the plants, which I did. I'm gonna show you another update. Over here used to be like a pile of weeds, and as soon as I got done with my meeting this afternoon, I went straight ahead and that's what I did all morning, and man, they look so much better. And over here there were some clovers, which I thought they were 4 leaves, but they look so much better over here. And there was a weed over here, so I did that. So Kaylin had a competition this evening, and I'm doing is sit back and relaxing and binge watching and the Destination Row and check their video out if you haven't done so. And had a pretty long day. It's like beautiful out, good day to garden. So for my dessert slash treat for working out in the garden, I decided to get some non-dairy ice cream, which was so delicious. So, Kayla just returned from our virtual archery competition, and from when I told her, I think she did pretty okay, and I was gonna show you how she did, but my battery is running low, and I'm running low on storage, but so that being said, later gators.